Good morning, students. Today we will learn exercise how we will find the value. In previous video, I told you introduction of the chapter. What is integer, what is natural number, what is whole number, property of addition and subtraction of integers. That also I told you. So in a natural number I told you if the number start from 1, that is natural number. Example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. Whole number, if the number start from 0, that is whole number. Clear? Example 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. It is a whole number. Integers, all the negative and positive numbers with 0 are called integers. Clear? How many types of integer? 2 types, positive integer and negative integer. If any number is given and front of sign is not given, clear, it means that is positive integer. Means suppose that given is 5, only 5, 7, 8, like this, it is a positive integer. Clear? Negative integer means minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, it is a negative integer. Clear? So I told in previous video. Clear? I hope you understand nicely. Clear? Today we will start exercise. 1.1 from NCERT. Clear? First we will discuss about NCERT. After that second book ML Agrawal. When exercise 1.1 is complete from NCERT, then I will start 1.1 from ML Agrawal. Clear? Both book we will read. Clear? The first question in NCERT 1.1 exercise, following number line show the temperature in degree Celsius at different place on a particular day. Clear? So one number line is given. Question is, one number line is given. Here is 0. I told you right hand side positive number and left hand side negative number. Clear? So here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Clear? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Clear? Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, minus 2. See, it is a number line. It starts from 0. Clear? Here is positive and here is negative. Clear? So some places is given. First is similar. In fifth number, similar is given. Here is Ooty, Bangalore. Bangalore, and here is Srinagar. Srinagar, Laval Spiti. Clear? So it is the name of places. Clear? See. Shimla, Ooty, Bangalore, Srinagar, Laval Spiti. See. In right hand side, Shimla, Ooty and Bangalore. That means where is in positive side. Here is negative side, Srinagar and Laval Spiti. Clear? So in first question, first part is asked, means A part. Okay? Ki observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on the number line. Means A part is asking you write the places name and how much temperature is there. So very simple question. We will write first places name. So how much place first is Laval Spiti. Second is Srinagar. Third is Shimla. Fourth is Ooty. Fifth is Bangalore. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. After that, write the temperature. So Laval Spiti how much? We start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So Laval Spiti 8 degrees Celsius minus 8 degree. Why we have taken minus? Because it is a negative side. Clear? Srinagar 0, 1, 2 minus 2 degrees Celsius. See, start from 0. Not you will read from 0. You 1, 2, 3. If you will read 0, 1, if you will count 0, 1, so your answer will become wrong. 0 means 0. 0, 1, 2 minus 2. Clear? After that, Shimla. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 degrees Celsius. It is in positive sign, probably 5 degrees Celsius. Ooty. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Means 14 degrees Celsius. Bangalore how much? 15, 16, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 60, 70, 80, 90, 20, 21, 22. Bas, it is the answer of A part. Note down this. Big part. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places among the above? Means here you search which is the hottest places, which is the coldest places. After find the difference between them. Clear? So hottest and coldest. Clear? So hottest means if temperature is maximum, that is hottest. Means you see here which places temperature is maximum in positive. Maximum in positive. So Bangalore 22 degrees Celsius means it is a very hottest places. Coldest places you see which temperature is less with minus sign. Clear? Minus sign. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear? So Laval Spiti minus 8 degrees Celsius. It is a very coldest places. Clear? After that find the difference. So we will write temperature at the which places? Hottest places. hottest places, that is Bangalore. That is Bangalore. So Bangalore how much? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 22 degrees Celsius. Clear? Okay. Now temperature at the coldest places, that is coldest, Laur Spiti, okay, equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, minus 8 degrees Celsius. Clear? Difference between them, find the difference. Difference means minus, so hottest minus coldest places. Hottest places minus coldest places. Okay? Put the value of both places. Hottest means 22 degrees Celsius. Minus coldest, minus sign is there, you will write in bracket. After that, when you will open the bracket, minus into minus plus. 22 plus 8, 30 degrees Celsius. Means difference between both places 30 degrees Celsius. Okay, note down this. C part. What is the difference? What is the temperature difference between Laur Spiti and Srinagar? Clear? So difference between the temperature. Write the temperature at the which place? Laur Spiti. How much? Minus 8 degrees Celsius. Clear? Next is Srinagar. The temperature at the Srinagar. Srinagar how much? 0 and 2 minus 2 degrees Celsius. Here find the difference. Difference equal to Laur Spiti minus Srinagar. देखो, you will put the value minus 8 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius. Okay? When minus sign is there, minus sign is also there, you will, when you will write number in bracket, after that you will open the bracket, you will be multiplying between them, means between sign. Clear? After that minus 8 degrees Celsius minus plus. So minus plus minus 8 minus 2 6 degrees Celsius. Minus 6 degrees Celsius is answer. Means difference between this and this places is coming minus 6 degrees Celsius. Clear? So D part you can do. It is the last part of this question. So you can do this. Clear? And note down this. Now next question. In second question, in a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answer and negative marks are given for incorrect answer. If Jack's score in 5 successive number rounds were 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? You can do this question. Minus, with minus sign, whatever number is there, that is an incorrect number. Clear? Whatever correct answer is there, that is with positive sign. That marks. Clear? So you will do both plus. After that, total means plus. Clear? You do plus, your answer will come. Question number 3. At Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday, and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, if it rose by 4 degrees Celsius, what was the temperature on this day? Clear? So this question I am telling you, question number 3. Question number 3. Clear? From the question, temperature on Monday, at Srinagar. Clear? Minus 5 degrees Celsius. Look, it is in given your question. Clear? Next thing, temperature on Tuesday at Srinagar. Temperature on Tuesday at Srinagar is dropped by how much? 2 degrees Celsius. Clear? So equal to temperature on Monday. Clear? Temperature on Monday at Srinagar minus 5 degrees Celsius. Temperature on Tuesday at Srinagar is dropped by 2 degrees Celsius. So temperature on Monday, clear? Clear? Monday equal to minus degrees Celsius. Drop means minus 2 degrees Celsius. It is half solution of question. Clear? It is the half question solution. Clear? Means at Srinagar temperature minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday, and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday only. Here from. After that, what was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday, on Wednesday? It rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on Wednesday? On Wednesday at Srinagar, Srinagar is rose by rose means positive, in positive form, equal to temperature on Tuesday. Clear? Equal to minus 7 degrees Celsius plus 4 degrees Celsius equal to minus 3 degrees Celsius. Okay? Then the temperature on Tuesday, asking, then temperature on Tuesday and Wednesday. Wednesday How much? -7 degrees Celsius. And vector minus 3 degrees Celsius and minus 3 degrees Celsius. Note down. Question number 4 and 5 you can do. Clear like question number 3. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Question number 6 is Rita goes 20 km towards east from a point A to the point B. From B, she moved 30 km toward west along the same road. If the distance towards east is represented by a positive integer, then how will you represent the distance traveled toward west? By which integer represented her final position from it? Clear? Okay, it is so west A B. It is east. Clear? Question is from the question a positive integer represents the distance toward the east given in the question. Clear? So we will write a positive integer represents the distance toward the east. Toward the east, then distance travel traveled toward the west clear. I am again telling represents will be I am telling you a positive integer represents the distance toward the east. Clear? Means whatever distance here you are coming, that is in positive, and whatever distance there you are going means in west, that is in showing negative integer. Means 4, 5, whatever kilometer is there, that is in negative, and here is in positive. After that, Rita travel a distance in east direction 20 kilometer. So Rita travels a distance in east direction. How much kilometer? 20 kilometer. So I told you कि whatever the distance cover in east, that is positive. Clear? And Rita travel a distance in west direction. So Rita travels a distance in west direction minus how much kilometer? 30 kilometer. 30 kilometer. It is going east 20 kilometer in positive. It is going west direction, it is in negative. Clear? After that, distance traveled from A. The distance traveled from A. Distance towards east is represented by a positive. How will you represent the distance traveled west? By which integer will you represent her final position from A? Clear? It is not telling according to me. It is given in question B. Whatever distance going east, that is positive. Whatever distance going west, clear? So that is negative. Clear? After that, final position, distance traveled from A. So from A equal to total 20 plus minus 30. So 20 minus 30 minus 20. So minus 10 kilometer. Clear? Note down this. Question number 7, magic square. Each row column diagonal have the same sum. Check in magic square. Means whatever magic square is there, horizontally, vertically, row and column, diagonal, you will check if all sum is coming same, so that is magic square. Not coming same, that is not a magic square. Question number 8, verify. Verify means is given A minus B equal to A plus B. Clear? It is a variable. This value is given. First part is A equal to 21 or B equal to 18. Okay? So A equal to 21, B equal to 18. So it is equal or not? No problem is there. A minus B, A plus B. So put the value. Put the value 21 minus 18. 21 plus 18. So 21 plus 18 equal to 21 plus 18. After that, 8 1 9, 2 1 3. So 39 equal to 39. Both are equal, means it is verified. Clear? Not equal, it is not verified. Simple. So this exercise is completed. Okay, and the rest question you will do whatever problem you can ask me. Clear? In ML Agrawal exercise 1.1, you see question number 1 to 6 you can do very easily. 6 number question same. Question number 6, and from NCERT you see exercise 1.1 and here is 1.1, both are same, but only value is changed. Here is 20 kilometer, so here is 28 kilometer. Here is 30, so here is 37. But process is not same. I want to say that in the maths concept will be not changed. Clear? Means if your concept is clear, you can do very easily. In maths, value you can change, but method, whatever I told you, from that method you can do that question. So question number 8 I am telling you in exercise 1.1 from ML Agrawal. Question number 8. One, 2, 6 and 7 also, it is also magic square. Whatever magic square given in exercise 1.1 in NCERT, that is also here same. Acha, whatever question is same, dicto question, value is same, word is same, so that question you don't do. But question is not same, clear? Value is not same, that question you will do. Question number 8, evaluate. First is minus 30 minus 9. Clear? See, you see this sign, it is an absolute value. Absolute value, clear? Absolute value means if you will write the number outside of this sign, you will get positive number. Clear? Absolute value will be always positive. Clear? Means that the absolute value of integer is always non-negative. Means absolute value never negative. Clear? It is a sign of absolute value. Means solution value you will do minus 30 means 30 minus absolute value of 9 is 9. Means absolute value of 13 is 30. Absolute value of 9 is 9. 13 minus 9 equal to, it is the answer. You will not confuse in that. Suppose that in your exam coming this type question and you see this sign, you think there it is a sign of absolute value. Clear? Absolute value will be always positive. Next part I am telling you, one more part. Second one. 13 minus 5 minus 9. Clear? So 13 minus 5 means 4. Sorry. 8 minus, right? You will find 13 minus 5, 8. So absolute value of 8 equal to 8. Minus absolute value of minus 9 equal to 9. 9 minus 8, 1 minus 9. Why you have taken here minus? Because 9 is greater than 8. Then we have taken minus sign. Clear? Question number 9. Arrange the following integers in ascending order. Ascending and descending. Ascending order means smallest to greatest, and descending order means greatest to smallest. Question number 9. Question is minus 39, comma 35, 102, 0, comma minus 51, comma minus 5, minus 6 and 6. Clear? The question is arrange the following integers in integers. Clear? So arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means I told you smallest to greatest. Clear? Solution is in ascending order. The ascending order means smallest to greatest. So here minus sign is there, plus sign is there. So see, minus, 0, 35 and 7. Clear? You think here which number is very small. See, 102 is very big, but here is minus sign, means it is a very small. If two number is given, both is suppose that given minus 15 and 25. Clear? Minus 15 and 25 is given. Clear? So anyone is asking कि which is small, so you will tell we have taken this 15 and minus 25. Clear? And question is asking which is small, the minus 25 is small. देखो 25 is greater than 15, but why 25 is small here? Because with minus sign is there. That's why we have taken small. Clear? If any number front of sign is given minus, suppose that is it. अब here see 102 is very big number, but here is minus sign. That's why it is a very small. You will count it in small number. Clear? Is ascending and smallest means minus 1. After that see minus which number? Which number is 51? After that 39. Then which you will take? Clear? Minus 102, minus 51, minus C. देखो 6, 5 is also small. 6 is also small, but here is minus sign. So it is minus 51 is small, but minus 6 is greater than 51. Clear? Minus 102, minus 51, minus 39. After that, minus 6, minus 5. Clear? So here is negative integer is given. In negative integer, if anyone is asking which is very big number, minus 5 is greater. But it is very small in negative integer. Minus 102 is very small. Clear? After that, 0. After that, 7. After that, 35. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear? It is in ascending order. Suppose that asking descending order. The in next question asking descending order. Question number 10. So, opposite greatest to smallest means there you will write greatest number, then small, then small, then small. In last very small. Here is very small, big, small, big, big, last very big number. Clear? The smallest to greatest, there is greatest to smallest. Now, next one is true, false, and fill in the blanks. That also you can do. So, exercise 1.1 NCERT I told you, and ML Agrawala I told you. Clear? You do in copy. Okay, after that you will practice, proper practice you will do. Clear? I am requesting you. Clear? Okay, thank you.